superstar. I'm a superstar.
They put gear oil in there.
She knocking?
She's at the door. AK-49.
Is he?
That's not bad, eh?
Oh, let's go.
This is my 2002 Toyota Blit. So it's basically a JZX wagon. It's got a 1J swap, the CD009 transmission with our CD Pro, and a bunch of other SERIALNINE, stuff. I'm trying to get some after footage of the engine mounts. So I just put the SERIALNINE street engine mounts in, and I took a before video right here with some lights and my little GoPro. So you can see even at idle, it's like,
Yeah, it's vibrating on.
like see the movement. And I'm just trying to put the camera in the exact same spot, but for some reason
When's that video coming out?
that one's later on in the series, but the actual build series of this car, we're launching those videos on Friday, so the day after this video comes out.
We were in the shop and a couple of them were trying to guess your middle name.
Yeah.
We'll tell you.
My guess was Kevin Alfred Peterson.
Alfred. I thought it might be Kevin James Peterson.
I said
Yes.
Alan or David, but I kind of feel like it might be Supra.
Kevin's middle name is,
Peter.
I think it's Alan. Yeah, like something like that.
Is it Alan?
No, I have two middle names. It's Edward.
Oh,
Edward
that's
Morris.
what it was.
And George is Henry.
Dude, we were so far off.
Installing the Goodrich lines. Stainless steel pass-throughs on the CD Pro.
This right here, this is a GRS 182 Toyota Crown. It has a 4GR engine, which is the same as in the IS 250s, I believe. All the suspensions shared with the IS 250 as well. Really cool car. Definitely a huge upgrade from that Toyota Camry right there. So, and this is Gerard's new project car. It's an M35 Nissan Stagea. It shares all the drivetrain and suspension with the G35 350Z platform, so it's got a VQ in it. It's eventually going to have a 2JZ in it, as this is going to be the next drift car. 2JZ out of the Aristo, the one that no longer exists.
Sick.
This is Kevin's Dyna truck. It's an old fire truck actually. I think it's a 4-liter inline 4 diesel. I don't actually know. He's turbocharging it. It's going to be very cool. This here is a JZX 110 Mark II. It originated as a 1G powered vehicle, which would be the GX chassis. It's been swapped with a 1JZ with our CD Pro bell housing adapter to CD transmission. Very fun car. Definitely a cool car, that's for sure. It shares all the same zooming in and out. It shares all the suspension with the IS 300. It also smells a lot like cigarettes inside. X stink ass. It is now a really cool car. It is a JZS 171 Toyota Crown, turbo 1JZ, manual swap with the CD009 transmission, and OS Geiken clutch.
Where you got silver 171 Crown in the back?
That's actually Eric's car, and I bought it from Jake's ex-girlfriend.
Here we have another JZS 171 Toyota Crown. This car we got for a couple Smirnoff Ices as it was seized at the border. The person who bought this car is currently not free.
Hold on, I think it's a little too noisy in here, so I'm gonna have to get the mics. You're gonna
Okay,
have to wait.
it's Kevin's car. It's a Toyota Altezza. It's got a 1JZ CD Pro. What the f is his middle name again? It's got like JZ unit, CD Pro, CD transmission. Like it's good. Thanks for watching this episode of Serial 9 Weekly. We'll see you next week.